Dear friend, how are you all? Today in this video, I'll let you know how to earn, around $1,000 per month just by researching domain name. Brandable name for company. There are a lot of company, they don't have enough time or they don't have that kind of skill to find a good name for their company. They will hire you for finding some good name for their company, and if you can do that, you can earn huge money from there. So without further talking, let's go to screen. You can see this is Fiverr. This is a freelancing platform. Everybody come here to find their solution, find their worker. So if you come here and find type like domain research or something like that and search that, a lot of people are doing this service. They are giving 5 to 10 names just for $5. You can see this guy has huge review, more than 1,000 review. Just he will give you 5 valuable name, domain name. It's just a name for your company and keyword research, and you have to pay $5. This is the simple thing you can do, and all you have to do, just sign up here in fiverr.com and make a gig like this one, and people will hire you. But for doing that, you have to gain some skill. You have to know how to research some good domain. You have to know that there are a lot of website and tool. You have to use that to find some good name for their company. And this is a website called namebio.com. If you come here regular, you can find some name. Today it's 7 July 2020. You can see there are a lot of domain sold, lot of names sold by this huge price, just 6,000.cc. It's sold for more than $16,000. A lot of domain you can find from here. It's just selling by this amount, huge amount. So all you have to do, you have to find a good name and come to a hosting provider or domain provider like Namecheap, GoDaddy, name.com, a lot of website available. You have to come any of those websites like Namecheap is also one of the most cheapest hosting provider and domain provider. You can buy a domain name at cheap price, like below $10, maybe $8 or something. Then you have to find a domain name like let's find hey. Someone proposed to hey, give me a online shopping domain name like itemsvalley.com, and you have to find that is that available or not. Yeah, you can see it's available, itemsvalley.com. Now all you have to do, you have to buy this domain name and you have to park it in Sido.com, or there are a lot of websites available like Aptonic, Sido, Flippa, GoDaddy, and there are a lot of websites available. To know how to park a domain name, you can check the description link of this video. Previously I have made a video about how to park a domain on Sido.com, how to earn huge money by flipping domain name. So you can check that video. I have actually a lot of domain here. You can see if I go to my domain name, you can see I have a lot of domain available here. So all you have to do, just park a domain here and people will visit your domain name. Like suppose my domain name, today I have purchased a domain name usbi.com, and if people visit this domain name, they will find a landing page like this one, and they can find your price. I have parked for $999, and if they want to buy that, they will click this link and they will buy that. So it's very easy. Just you have to buy a domain name just by $8. You can park it like $1,000 and people will buy it. But you have to be more patient and you have to gain some knowledge how to research good name domain, how to research brandable domain name and keyword domain name. So if you want example, let's see. I bought a domain name fabdomain.com from Namecheap just for $8, and few days later I just parked on Sido, and I got an email from Sido, hey dear MD Rajiv Halodar, you got a buyer and he accepted for a fixed price domain name just for $69. It's cool, huh? I just bought it for $8 and I sold it for $369. And there are a lot of people they're selling the domain just for $1,000. Maybe I need money there, so I just sold it for cheap price. But if you have that much patient, you can sell it for $1,000. But you have to be more patient and you have to keep it in your inventory for 1 year or 2 year. The more time you can keep, the more money you can get from that domain. It's like a real estate business. You buy a land for cheap price and you keep it for 2 or 5 years, then you can sell it a lot of good prices. Like it's like investing money. You can ask me, hey, I got it, I can sell domain in $1,000, but just let me know how to research good domain. And yeah, it's the main purpose of this video actually. Yeah, for that you have to gain some knowledge, of course the experience, and of course the site I have already told you, like in this one, namebio.com. and if you go to this site you will gain some knowledge. This kind of domain is selling for this price. If you visit this site regularly, you will get, hey, which kind of domain is selling here. This site called leandomainsearch.com, and you can type your keyword like online shop, then hit enter. Then you will find a lot of keyword available domain. Hey, online shop house, it's available. You can just register here, onlineshop.com, it's available. Then you can copy this and you can paste to your favorite domain provider and you can buy it. So by visiting this site you will find a lot of domain available for your keyword: online shop land, online shop man, online shop mobile. You can get some knowledge from here. And also another thing, suppose you have some custom keyword, you want to find those like car, like first you have to come to this website called combinator.org. Then type your keyword name like shop, like business, like land, like health. A lot of things you can type, 1,000 of word. And the second option, your prefix or suffix name, like Billy, like B, it can be like Valley, it can be like John, like 24. This is the suffix after your domain. Then you can just press nothing and press the combinator, then copy all these things and come to name.com, then click bulk research. Then if you want to just buy a .com domain name, just type the name .com. If you want more like .net, .in, you can type it here and then paste your keyword here and then click search. Then if any domain is available, they'll show you, hey, carbelly.com already taken, carby.com already taken. Carbelly is available, but someone is parked for $18,000. Can you imagine that? And this domain for $115,000, shopvalley.com. And yeah, this is available. Add to cart means this domain is available. Business belly, business B, this domain is available. you can buy this domain and you can park for $1,000. So this is how you can know is this domain available or not. Within a few seconds you can search for 1,000 domain name. So guys, today up to this, thank you for watching. If you have any question for domain research, you can ask me, or if you have anything or any suggestion for me, you can let me know by commenting here, and this way we can help each other. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Always take care.